Yes, hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you this affiliate marketing network which pays an average of 1,350 USD per every sale that is made by the affiliate partners. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you always know that the money you're gonna be making depends on the amount of commission or that the given affiliate partner is paying. Also, it depends on how many customers you have attracted to purchase the given items or services to the platform. And also, once the average is high, that is determined that the amount of money you're gonna be making on the given average marketing platform is gonna be high as well. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you see now, I'm using my computer, and also when it comes to affiliate marketing, of course, we have to use the internet and access those affiliate network platforms over the internet. What I have to do, I have to open this platform into my laptop or into my browser. You go in your browser and search for ActiveCampaign. Once you search for ActiveCampaign, you can see it is going to be bringing this platform, which is software company. It's a software as a service company, as you can see here. This software service company based mid-sized business and is based in Chicago, Illinois. So the company offers email marketing automation, sales automation, and CRM functionality. So what you need to do, you need now to open this platform here, and also after opening the platform, you're gonna see different services they provide, different kind of tools they sell here, and also those are the ones you're gonna be making money from. As you can see, what I have to check here first of all is to check the platform details. You can see they also display different testimonial services, and you can see that the tools they offer here used to be in these different software integrations. You can see now, if I come here at the top, I can click on this platform section. Once you click on the platform section, you can see there is marketing automation, there is omnichannel marketing, there is content creation, there is audience management, there is analytics and reportings, there is integrated AI, there is integrations, email marketing, WhatsApp messaging, segmentation, CRM, SMS marketing, landing page, forms, compare. So you can see now they have different kind of services they are selling, and also you can be able to come here and read for different solutions they are covering or the problems they are covering. So you can see if you come to resources, also you understand different kind of resources there. Here they have email templates, automation recipes, integrations, and others. What you have to do is come and read all these ones and be able to understand what kind of services or tools you're gonna be promoting to your friends, promoting to your audience to be able to make such amount of money. So once you have understood this stuff, what you need to do is to come here and go to pricing section. Once you come to pricing sections, you can see they have different kind of pricings. You can see if you come to enterprise package, where you pay USD 145 per month, and if you want to buy this package, you can see different kind of features they are going to be providing to you: AI, A/B, A and B testing, generative AI, segmentation, custom object, AI powered automation, reporting and analysis, site tracking, attribution and conversion tracking. So if you come here to now to Pro package, you can see you can be able to unlock a cross channel marketing. This $79 per month, and also you can see the features included. If you go to starter, this is 15 USD per month, and you can see the features which are included and the one which are limited from this package. So after having understood these services and these packages, so that means now you are ready to promote these services, either using your website and also promote these services to your friends so that they can get started and purchase these services and also start making money. So once you promote these services and they are sold to your friends, to your audience, to your clients, you're gonna be also making money. Now let's go to the affiliate marketing page and see how much money you can be able to make if we start affiliate marketing programs on this platform. What we do is to come here and scroll down to the footer page of this platform and find this page called affiliate. There is a link which is called affiliate. I have to click on it. After clicking on affiliate link, it is going to be opening in my browser. So I have to read now all details about it. You can see become an affiliate partner. As an active affiliate partner, you have what it takes to recommend ActiveCampaign as the must-have platform for intelligent marketing automation to your audience. So now what you do is to come and scroll down and understand what are the for sure, what do you need to integrate with ActiveCampaign? You have to check out their apps. So if you need a little help with your ActiveCampaign automation, also you can get certified consultant who will be able to help you. So now this is what I am reaching here. Why do you want to partner with them? So whether you're a social influencer, course educator, or content marketer, we help you achieve referrals through ongoing training and marketing materials. So now whatever you're doing, also whether you are social influencers, if you are educator, if you are content marketer, so they help you to achieve what you need. So what do you need now? So you can see now they have above 30,000 affiliate partners who are now doing affiliate marketing on this platform. So here is now you can see the amount of money you can be able to earn. This is an average of 1,350 USD per referral you made per referral. When they say per referral, don't perceive it as that whenever you refer someone and come and sign up to the platform, gonna be making money. No, it is not working like that. What works is that if you refer someone and they come to the platform, sign up, and they complete the purchase, that is where you're going to be making money. Remember that affiliate marketing is always about making money by having sold the items. That means it's a commission from the sales you have made. So only sign up is not enough for you to make money. So not enough is to have someone come and purchase. This is an average, and also let's try to calculate and see how much money you can be able to earn for sure. So if we come here a little bit, you can see you can be able to industry-leading commissions 20 up to 40% the current commission for the lifetime of your referrals, which is a very, very good and a very important way of earning money or earning passive income. If you're gonna be making a recurring commission of lifetime of whenever your referral pays, you're gonna be making money. This is very amazing. So now if we go to here, the steps, there is getting started, which is where you have to apply online first. The application process takes less than 2 minutes. Then you go to use your unique referral link, and also once you share it and you get a purchase, you're gonna be making up to 40% of commissions. Now let's try to go to pricing sections and try to purchase, for instance, and see how much money you can be able to earn. 1,350 USD, that is an average. But let me now for instance choose this enterprise package and see how much money we can be able to make from this. Let's try, for instance, to calculate only 40% of commission you can be able to get. So if I go to this one and also I scroll down, so I'm now required to pay this amount of money. So let's say that we are required to pay 2,148. So this is gonna be how many additional users to unit. Let's say I want to add this one, and so let's say I need to be adding this, and it is gonna be calculating. So now it depends on the the most popular package they are selling, that is where they based on calculating an average sales. So if I multiply with this by 30%, I'm gonna be getting around 2,000 and the 23.5 USD. I can be able to earn as 30% of commission of this. However, it depends on the contacts, the users, and also the bigger the number of the package they have. Also, both free affiliate link, also the higher the amount of commission you can be able to make. So now if we go to the getting started, or how you can get started with the affiliate marketing program, sign up here. You have to come here and click on affiliate sign up. Once you're done signing up, you have to click on apply. So after clicking on the apply, you can see they are asking me, you can see they're asking me to try it for free. Affiliates marketing require an account. What you need to do is to create an account first. So once you're done creating an account, you have to proceed with the application procedures and also wait for the response from the affiliate marketing review team. Once the ActiveCampaign affiliate marketing has responded to you or replied to you, you can now get started making money online with affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. Remember to like this video, share this video to our friends, and turn notification button so as you always get notified whenever we upload a new video here at Max TV.